Tirot Sing Entrepreneurship Development Cell kelala ban penlong ya ka awareness program hakabe day baka entrepreneurship lani hakabe day ban sengkam sengjam la jong. Ya kani ka awareness program ka bala kerteng ru kum ka Sparkling Future 2025 on entrepreneurship testimonial la penlong haka arpusau tering nailur araja arpusan hapo ka auditorium hall jong ka Tirot Sing Memorial College East and West Khasi Hills District. Kajing penlong ya kani ka program ka long kum shibenta ban ai ka jing mentoy ya ki Samla pulia jong ka college bat long ru ka jing ai Mynsiem kham tam ya gitu gi bakwa ban sengkam sengjam la jong. Hakading ka ski la yo ek Jingkren nau ba adori jarling do ubalong nong job jong ka hills on the plate but unong sang ka ADL bartending and owner kitchen takeover but haka Jingkren ula ai Mynsiem ki Samla puli but ki Sakhi ki bola pen pau ka long ka ba ai Mynsiem shibon e ya ki Samla.
Ngam ki le chef pu tharo pu sao kim nang ne tang ma chef pu sao pu tharo kim nang chef black forest nung toy ni ko phat nang kha jong lo jong ki tourist ki bawan na ba tourist bawan na Delhi Mumbai na US na ne ke plane pathe ki wan chini kinde ba ki ba anon bam show bam momo ba fried rice kata kila yo lebih pan lebih dari puluh pan pisau tu no ban di market no ban desain yang restoran berjaga jong pi bo kijing bo ai kijing jaka shong bo biang turis kinwan musik turis menta kim par ban lech po restaurant ki balong high five balong standard pila menchuna puli ki tu de puli sekolah jong pi pilan puli handai kim ban promote pat ya ka bang tenrai bang jong ban bang bro mostly kini guys ki turis ki ban bar standard kim par ban bang support kan berit list surah bang di shasa ban bang jado ki ban bang jaka kam yang den kita balai pan making money doing what you love ya pasal tu ani tang kata ka passion kepinginan kamla bang kamai saya lagi pet ke fast business mengilek untuk event sesuai isulah just for passion ngin pasal tu ndang kata market research ndang sel tu ka product yang ni isulah tang ka passion ni kamla bang kamai pisah ya pasal tu yo market kala le man te kam menta pin tang ek kam pin chat pin tu ban chat ke berasuk ban di ban masih pisah ban kibero kilane mansiu kamdai ke bosok ban kamash tingka balai kibero nabar ki dekhare kibo kira itu kriya beriso ki kamash tingka kai ba ro bosok Shillong tang man kamai ar pro lai pro sobro teman kamai pisai kamdai bosok ya ban pechwa juga market di produk chompi tang kapasyon lo kamla ban dia ban perkedang ban pria pisai
Shu la yo ru ya ka benta ban ai Jingkren na ka kong paya v lingdo ka bala ai ka jingpen shai bat batai ru shapang ka idea ton ka ban sepen long da ka entrepreneurship cell jong ka college ha ka arpo pra bat arpo kandai tere risau arjar arpusan.
This ideathon, it is just a platform that gives students like you here an opportunity to come forward and to share your ideas. I know that young fresh minds like you are always full of ideas, so some ideas may be big, some may be small, and some might even sound crazy at first. But please remember, what might seem small, what might seem silly today, it could be the start of something life-changing tomorrow. You never know. Think about it. Every invention, the things that we use inside this classroom, this microphone, the mobile phones that we use, the apps that we use daily in our life, even the snacks or the food, the clothes that we wear. Kini baro and once upon a time, all these were just somebody's idea. So if these people take kini ki brio, ki bashami kini ki inventions, kin share yato ka idea jonki, they would not have been able to experience success in their life. That is why an ideathon is so important. Why? Because we from the college, the ESL department, we are giving you an opportunity where you can come forward. You can come forward and share your ideas. It might be small, it might be big, it might be crazy. But if you have any idea, it could be in the field of agriculture. There are so many innovative ways to introduce the idea of bon haka field jong agriculture, haka field jong environmental sustainability. Ki idea jong ki pila solve ki product bang ban use kanang bangin wan rakyat ka sustainability. Okay, kalau bandai kalian jong tourism. Kalaro bandai creative arts, any other health and medicine, hikini baro if you don't kino ki idea, pila ban, come forward and share your ideas. Ni the college Minsa organize the program where you can come and pitch your ideas. Kin sadan ki mentor ki ban yelam ye piro kumno ban pitch, and after that pensa your ki prize. The prizes also are very exciting. Today bet the 1,000 bet. So please make sure kino ki idea ki bapidam. Make sure you come and you share your ideas, because you never know. Some of your ideas and it might become innovative solutions. Some of your idea might create employment in the future. Many times we used to think that success or great ideas, it can come from big cities, from big companies or cities with advanced technologies. But no, the truth is greatness can begin here, right here in Mairang village. Right here, making ideas kiba pidon. Okay, and it's not even also about being rich or having the cup. Kamday than ye kajing rispa ni kajing don la na ying mo. And right, if we don't thank the idea, the government will introduce born ki skill. Like me and my brother also, we don't have much to start with, but we just come forward, share our ideas, we chase our passion. Kita baro kinwan pandadin. So you just need to have the courage to act upon your ideas.
Haba thin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata haba thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya